we're gonna get a new pool liner. We've had it ordered and we're gonna get one tomorrow, and the guys are gonna put it in. So I really haven't been keeping up the water. It's kind of a blue-green here with algae, not pretty looking, and got some leaves and stuff floating in it, and there's a little frog swimming around there somewhere too, trying to make a pond out of it. But the guys are gonna come and replace the pool liner because this one leaks and it goes below the drain, and you gotta fill it up with water all the time, and it costs money. So all this water is going to get dumped anyways, so I hadn't really put a lot into it. But we're going to do a movie of how the liner is taken out and gets changed. Got the thing drained. The pump's off, it's almost drained. And it said that is a normal looking condition there. About normal, not too bad, not too good. So. Now getting to the shallow end. Alright, well, it took 2 days to fill the pool, and now we're getting rain, and it's just helped topping it off here. Yeah, I think it turned out pretty good. I like the new liner, and it's nice and smooth at the bottom, whereas before it had all those wrinkles and was all messed up. You couldn't get the stuff off the bottom worth the darn. Now it's easy to get it off the bottom, and it looks a lot better too. So anyways, after 3,000 bucks or so, got it looking right.